In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Canva website thumbnail. A link thumbnail is the image that shows up when someone shares your website on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, X, or in messaging apps. Getting this right helps your site look professional, improves click-throughs, and ensures your brand is instantly recognizable. We'll walk through exactly where this setting lives in Canva and how to update it so the correct image appears when your link is shared. Start by opening your Canva website design. Make sure you're inside the project you use as a website, not a standard presentation or document. Once your design is open, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. From the menu that opens, choose Publish Website. Don't worry, you're not making anything live just yet. This area is where Canva collects all the settings related to your site's publishing options, including the preview image we want to control. Inside the Publish Website panel, look for a section labeled Social Media Link Preview, or sometimes just Link Preview. The exact wording can vary slightly based on updates, so take a moment to scan the panel and scroll if needed. This section determines the image that platforms read and display as your website's thumbnail. When you find it, you should see an option to add or upload an image. This is the visual that will represent your site across social shares. Upload the picture you want to use as your thumbnail. A recommended size is around 1200 by 630 pixels, which fits the common 1.911 aspect ratio many platforms expect. Choose a clear, high-contrast image with a strong focal point and minimal fine text, so it remains legible when scaled down. If your image includes text or a logo, keep it centered and away from the edges to avoid cropping on different platforms. You can drag and drop from your computer or select from your existing uploads in Canva. After setting the image, make sure to save and publish your site again. Republishing applies the updated preview image to your live link. Keep in mind that some platforms cache older previews, so changes might not appear everywhere instantly. That's normal, and usually resolves on its own after a short time. From now on, when others share your site link, the image you selected will appear as the thumbnail preview. That's all there is to it. Simple steps that make a big difference in how your website is discovered and remembered.